Hello students, myself Hardeep Singh and you are watching our YouTube channel, that is Concept Classes. So today we will start chapter number 4, quadratic equations, exercise 4.1. So in this exercise our first question is check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So we are given with some equations, we have to check these that these are quadratic or not. So there are some identities which we should know to solve these questions, and we have learned these identities in our previous classes. I have written these identities on the board for your convenience, and you should write these identities on your notebook as well. So first identity is a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You should know these identities. And second identity is a minus b the whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next one is third identity is a square minus b square, that is equals to a minus b and into a plus b. And fourth identity is a plus b the whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket start a plus b bracket close. Next last identity is a minus b the whole cube, that is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So these are some identities which we use to solve or simplify the questions given in our exercise 4.1. So our first part is x plus 1 the whole square, that is equals to 2 into x minus 3. So we have to check this, that this given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So firstly we have to simplify this, and after that in the last step we will check that if there is a power of x, highest power of x is, if the highest power of x is 2, then it will be a quadratic equation, otherwise not. So how we will solve or simplify this, you can see here on the left hand side we have x plus 1 the whole square. So we have to apply the identity here, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we have to use this identity here to simplify our left hand side. So here a is x and b is 1. So a plus b the whole square, it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write it as x square plus 1 square plus 2 into a, that is x, and b, that is 1. And on our right hand side 2 is in multiplication with x minus 3, so we will multiply this 2 with x and 3. 2 into x 2x, and 2 into 3 minus 6, this minus. So x square as it is, square of 1 1, 2 into x into 1, that is 2x, is equals to 2x minus 6. So look these two terms, look at these two terms, these are like terms. So like terms, we can cancel out these like terms. We are left with x square plus 1, that is equals to minus 6, and this minus 6 comes on left hand side and it will become positive 6. So here on the right hand side we are left with 0. So in the last 1 plus 6, that is 7, and after simplifying we are left with this equation, that is x square plus 7 is equals to 0. Now we have to check this, that this equation is a quadratic or not. So here variable is x and highest power of x in this equation is 2. So therefore it is a quadratic equation. So it is a quadratic equation. So if the highest power of variable is not 2, then it will not be a quadratic equation.